This is my cat Whiskers, and his sister got ran over by a cat, and all his brothers and sisters we had to give away. So we have 5 cats, but I decided to make a video on this one because he's the last kitten that we have. He's 1.5 years old, and he brought a baby bird and a lizard inside at the same time. He's the best cat I've ever had. I have one, and his mama's name is Day, and we have one that's named Possum. She's a fully white and black cat. And he loves to chase lizards and other flying insects. And he loves to roll in the dirt. And he just rolled in the ditch. And you should know my voice from the video named My Hamster. His name was Rex in the video, and I opened the cage door, and he rolled around as usual. And my cat killed my other hamster, like I also told you on that other video. And I told you how old my hamster was. And of course you know the color. So if you're curious about what your miniature hamster might look like, go to My Hamster on YouTube. Okay, bye.